Namaste to all new JVNs. Myself JVN Dr. Khushbu Verma. Here I am welcoming you all for your new session and new academic session. And today I will introduce about the program outcomes which are offering by Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science has two departments, uh, Department of Agriculture and Veterinary Science and Department of Food and Biotechnology. Basically, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science offers programs with practical exposure and well-developed infrastructure facilities. So basically, students will have theoretical knowledge of their program along with their practical exposure and practical concept knowledge. So program we are offering UG program, integrated program, PG program, integrated diploma program and research programs also. In UG program we are offering BTech FBT, BSc VT, BSc FST, BSc FND and BSc Honors Agriculture, and in the integrated program we are offering BSc Agriculture along with MBA and BTech FBT along with MTech and BTech along with MBA. In PG programs, we are offering two programs, MSc BT, means biotechnology, and MSc NND, nutrition and dietetics. In integrated program, we are offering a single program, which is a diploma in food and biotechnology. Along with these programs, we are offering research programs also. Here are the glimpse of research programs. And now we will come to the program outcome. So first of all, we will discuss about the BSc Agriculture program outcome. What is program outcome? Basically program outcome जो है ये कि आप प्रोग्राम कंप्लीट करने के बाद आपको उससे क्या बेनिफिट्स मिलते हैं, आप उससे फाइनली उसका आउटपुट क्या आएगा, दैट इज द प्रोग्राम आउटकम. So in the BSc Agriculture, basically it aims to produce agriculturists with the scope to tackle problems along with the length of food chain, dealing with different and difficult environment, animal welfare, political and social and economic issues. Basically जो agriculturist बनेंगे BSc एग्रीकल्चर प्रोग्राम के बाद, वो स्टूडेंट्स को नॉलेज होती है फार्म की बेसिक नॉलेज, बेस नॉलेज अलॉन्ग विद रिसर्च ओरिएंटेड नॉलेज. तो जो BSc एग्रीकल्चर के स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो अपने रिसर्च ओरिएंटेड नॉलेज को अप्लाई कर सकते हैं फार्म पे, और they can enhance the food production without harming any environment and without any harm of animals. So basically this is the challenge accepting program कि students को किस तरह से अपनी practical knowledge को apply करना है farm में. And basically ये जो program है offer करता है students को to think and about the problem solving. And basically this program has also helped to explore the aids through media, TV, radio, phone, etc. for extending the scientific approach to the farmers. And these are the courses which are offering in the BSc Agriculture in first year. Basically BSc Agriculture is 4-year program. तो उसके जो फर्स्ट ईयर है उसमें फर्स्ट सेम में आपके फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ एग्रोनॉमी, इंट्रोडक्शन टू फॉरेस्ट्री, फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ हॉर्टिकल्चर, फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ सॉइल साइंस, रूरल सोशियोलॉजी एंड एजुकेशनल साइकोलॉजी. And in second sem, fundamentals of genetics, agriculture microbiology, soil and water conservation engineering, fundamentals of crop physiology, fundamentals of agriculture economics. These are the courses which are offering in the BSc Agriculture. ये जो कोर्सेज हैं बहुत बेसिक आपके बेस कोर्सेज हैं जिनसे आपका नॉलेज स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है इन द फील्ड ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर. इनके बगैर आप आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते हो. तो इन द सेकेंड ईयर, थर्ड ईयर, फोर्थ ईयर में आपके इन्हीं से रिलेटेड और एडवांस आपके कोर्सेज जो हैं वो ऑफर किए जाते हैं. अलॉन्ग विद दीज कोर्सेज यू विल ऑफर practical exposure in the term of your training, your minor projects and industrial visit, farm visit. In the regular basis you will get the guest lecture also. Next program is BSc Agriculture MBA. So this program also has the same outcome, like students will become the agriculturist who can solve the problem related to the farm without harming environment, without harming animals, and they can enhance the crop production. They can help to make healthy soil, healthy environment, and they can approach scientific knowledge to the farm, and they can help in the agriculture output. Along with this outcome, a BSc Agriculture plus MBA program has one more outcome, like it exhibit and demonstrate the professionalism, leadership, and effective communication skill to construct, analyze, and evaluate different forms of arguments and present them in a logical and rational manner to solve business and national and global perspective. These are the courses which are offering in the first year. This program is basically 5-year program because it is integrated program. And in the BSc Agriculture MBA program, you will study MBA sub MBA courses also along with the BSc Agriculture courses. Now we will come to the BTech FBT, means BTech in Food and Biotechnology. This program is offering dual knowledge of food technology along with the biotechnology. So graduates of the course will have the strong background in the interface of modern biology and advanced food technology, and will able to use these tools in industry and institutes wherever necessary. And these are the courses which are offering in the first year, like basic subjects like elementary mathematics, elementary physics, analytical chemistry, thermodynamics, along with the program specific subjects like basic of bioscience, introduction to food technology, biomolecules, fundamentals of food science and technology, fundamentals of biotechnology, unit operations in the food industry. So this program is 4-year program, and advanced subjects will be offer in the next coming years, and students will get practical exposure along with these theoretical subjects also. They will get the practical exposure in the term of minor project, industrial training, dissertation, industrial visit, guest lectures. So basically, student will have theoretical knowledge as well as research oriented knowledge, so that they can apply their research concept knowledge to make new things in their career. Now we will come to the integrated program, which is BTech FBT along with the MTech, and basically it acquire in-depth knowledge of food biotechnology, including wider and global perspective, with an ability to discriminate, evaluate, and analyze and synthesis existing and new knowledge and integration of the same for enhancement of the knowledge. Basically, student will get deep knowledge of food and biotechnology in this integrated program. This integrated program is basically 5-year program, and courses which are offering in the first year are basic subjects along with the courses program specific courses like cell biology, fundamental of microbiology, unit operations in food industry, biomolecules, fundamental biotechnology, introduction to food technology. Student will study MTech subjects also along with the BTech courses. Now we will come to the BSc FST, means BSc Food Science and Technology. Graduates will gain and apply knowledge of food technology, science and engineering concept to solve the problems related to the field of food technology. Students basically will be focused only to the food science and technology programs, courses, and subjects in the knowledge and practical exposure. These are the courses which are offering in the first year, like fundamentals of biological chemistry, food and nutrition, fundamentals of food science and technology, unit operations in food industry. So this program is 3-year program, so student will have practical exposure in the term of industrial training, minor project, industrial visit, guest lectures, along with their theoretical and practical subjects. Now come to the BSc BT, BSc in biotechnology. So basically, graduates will gain and apply knowledge of biotechnology. Student will get the practical knowledge and theoretical knowledge of biotechnology stream. And these are the courses which are offering in the first year, like fundamentals of biological chemistry, basic of bioscience, analytical chemistry, fundamentals of biotechnology, fundamentals of microbiology, biophysics, and instrumentation. Basically, student will get aware also about instruments which they need to handle, which they have to handle during their practical session, like PCR, like autoclave, pH meter, agarose gel electrophoresis. So they have to know about the principle and procedure of their instruments, related instruments. So student will also get the knowledge during the program of each and every instruments which they will use. And this program is also 3-year program. They will get practical exposure along with the theoretical knowledge, and they will get exposure through minor project, industrial training, industrial visit, guest lecture. And now we will come to the BSc FND, Food Nutrition and Dietetics course program. And basically, student will get expert in the dietetics. They will able to construct food और न्यूट्रिशनल इंटरवेंशन प्रोजेक्ट प्लान. सो बेसिकली जो स्टूडेंट इस प्रोग्राम में हैं या इस प्रोग्राम के लिए आए हैं, तो उनके लिए जो आउटकम है वो बेसिकली ये है कि वो स्टूडेंट्स बेसिकली एक्सपर्ट होंगे डायटिक्स में, उनको नॉलेज होगा न्यूट्रिशन से रिलेटेड, और उनके जो फर्स्ट ईयर है उसमें उनके सब्जेक्ट्स, उनके प्रोग्राम से रिलेटेड उनको कोर्सेज ऑफर किए जा रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, दे विल स्टडी अबाउट द फंडामेंटल ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन विच इज बेस सब्जेक्ट ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन, and they will also offer the nutrition through life cycles, food and nutrition, public health nutrition. So basically in the first year, these students will get the strong knowledge or strong base with these subjects, with these courses, along with food subjects also, like introduction of food technology, fundamentals of food technology, and fundamentals of microbiology. They will get the knowledge along with their nutritional subjects, nutritional courses. Now come to the master's programs. There we can see like MSc Nutrition and Dietetics. So basically the program will prepare students for supervise the practice programs, graduation students employment in food and nutrition related positions, like dietitian, nutritionist, and support student timely program completion. Basically जो MSc NND के स्टूडेंट्स होंगे वो एक्सपर्ट होंगे एज एन डाइटिशियन, एज एन न्यूट्रिशियन, न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट, एंड उनको डीप नॉलेज दी जाती है उनके सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड. दे कैन मेक द डाइट प्लान, दे कैन मेक द डाइट चार्ट, दे कैन मेक द डाइट proper a diet for a specific patient. Basically they can calculate each and everything which will help to patient to recover very fast. So these are the courses which are offering in the first year, like BISTATS. Basically, because MSc NND is 2-year program, in their fourth semester they will have internship. So stats is necessary to compile their research data. So they have to knowledge about the stats along with the research methodology. So we are offering these two major subjects in the first year, and along with that nutritional biochemistry, nutrition, medical nutritional management, pathophysiology, applied food science and product modification, advanced nutrition, diet therapy we are offering. So these are the major courses which are offering in the MSc NND first year, and students will get the deep knowledge of their program, and along with the practical exposure in the term of internship and minor project, assignments, industrial visit. They will get more and more knowledge, deep knowledge related to their program, so that they can become perfect dietitian, perfect nutritionist with the practical exposure and advanced practical knowledge. Now come to the program MSc BT, MSc in Biotechnology. So basically Outcome for this program is to obtain a significant knowledge on fundamental and advanced aspects of the biotechnology, gain in-depth knowledge of different techniques related to the plant biotechnology, animal biotechnology, antibiotics from the viewpoint of targets, resistance mechanism, and spectrum evaluation methods. Basically, student will get deep knowledge related to the plant and animal biotechnology and advanced courses related to the biotechnology, for example, genetic engineering, recombinant DNA technology, plant tissue culture, plant biotechnology. So they will get practical exposure as well. And these are the courses which are offering in the first year. Biostats we are offering because it is required for the fourth sem. In the MSc BT, fourth sem is dissertation period in which students will go for the mini research. They will conduct a proper problem and they will get the solution for that problem. So this is the 6 month program, 6 month duration for the dissertation. And in the first year they are offering these courses like biostats, microbiology, cell biology, analytical chemistry, immunology, molecular biology, metabolism and bioenergetics, industrial biotechnology, along with plant biotechnology. Now come to the diploma program. Here faculty is offering DET-FBT, Diploma in Food and Biotechnology. Students of this program will be able to attain base knowledge and be made aware of recent advances in various areas of both food science and technology and food and biotechnology. Apart from world-class education in the field of food science and technology, the program also aims to give cutting edge research in frontline areas of food science and technology. Basically, in the diploma of food and biotechnology, students will get more knowledge, base knowledge related to their subject. So these are the courses which are offering in the first year. In the first year, students will study about the base subjects, like they will study about the physics, chemistry, maths, and their like computer knowledge. They have to know about the maths. So basically they will get the knowledge of these subjects, and in the second year and third year they will study about their specific courses related to the food and biotechnology. They will get practical exposure as well as in the second year and third year in the term of industrial training, minor project, and industrial visit. Now we will discuss about the evaluation process. So for agriculture, um, if we discuss if course with the theory and lab, so they will uh, it will be divided into two terms, exam is in internal exams and second is end term exam. There will be two internal exams, or you can say two continuous exams will be conducted. In continuous exam for courses with lab and theory, complete marks will be 50, and for the lab it will be 15 marks, and for the theory and assignment it will be 35. If we discuss about the end term exam, so this course will have 50 marks only for the theory. If course is only theory, there will if there is no lab, so for the continuous exam, theory will have only 50 marks, and for the end term exam, theory will have 50 marks. If course has only lab, so they will have only internal or continuous exam with the 100 marks. For the FBT, courses are with lab and theory. So for continuous exam, theory will be 30 and lab will be 15 marks. And for the end term, theory will be 70 and marks and lab for the 35 marks. So this is the orientation of your program outcome and your evaluation process. Along with this information, I would like to introduce about the information related to the scholarship. our students of agriculture will also get the scholarships from the government, specifically state government. They can get the chief minister scholarship scheme from the Rajasthan. They can get incentive to girls to BSc agriculture from Rajasthan, and they can get the labor welfare department Rajasthan scholarship. And basically these scholarships are offering for from the state government of Rajasthan. So you can apply easily for the scholarship, and you can get the scholarship. So this is the sum up of this orientation session, and I hope you understand well, and hope for the best. And I welcome you all for your academic session. Thank you.